Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to use CarPlay on your phone and car. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to play music in your car or have calls in it. Let's get started by opening settings. And as you can see in the middle of the screen, there's General. And now, CarPlay. As you can see, it says, if your car supports wireless CarPlay, press and hold the voice control button on your steering wheel to start CarPlay setup. Now, if your car doesn't support wireless CarPlay, you actually need to have a charger and then plug it in the car. But if it does, it's gonna appear here. And also, before you try to connect to CarPlay, make sure that Bluetooth is on. This is the icon for Bluetooth, and make sure that it's turned on blue. So that's pretty much it. Again, if you want to connect wireless, it's gonna appear here. But if it's not wireless, you're gonna have to use a phone charger and then connect it to the car. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.